Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mount your Varia RearVue 820 on the seat post of your bicycle. So in the bundle with our radar, we get this plastic mount, which you're gonna be needing right about now. Then we have three different silicone pads. I'm gonna explain them later. And then we also have this silicone band for grip. So first of all, we grab our mount and we have to apply one of these three silicone grips to it. Now basically choose the one that fits better for your seat post. So in my case, this will most probably be the one. And on the inner side of each of these bands, pads, you'll see the numbers. Now the easiest way to explain it is the lower degree has to be facing upwards. So in my case, the 73 degree has to be facing upwards and 77 will be facing downwards. Now, first of all, before mounting it on our bicycle, we have to mount it directly on our mount. Now the mount will go this way, so not otherwise, because your radar has to be aligned perpendicularly to the base of your mount. So it basically has to be facing straight backwards with no downward angle, because it needs to see the road straight. Therefore, we need to apply our 73 degrees to the upper part of this mount, which is this one. So it looks like this in the end. And now we have to basically apply it right here. Okay, and we're gonna need to be using this silicone grip to apply it. Now this is a tricky part. I cannot unfortunately make it easier for you, but basically what you want to do is you want to grip it like this, and then you're gonna have to catch it from another side. So yeah, you're gonna have to apply a bit of strength to do this, and grab your mount from the other side using these rubber bands. As you can see, it's pretty strong, so don't worry about breaking it. The easiest way to apply it is to face your mount sideways slightly until you apply the rubber band, and then carefully move it to the back side of your seat post like this. Then make sure that this part of the grip is facing forwards. Okay, so now we have properly applied this part. Unfortunately, we only have to apply it once. Now, the very important part is that it has to be close to your seat, so do not apply it any lower. And now the easiest part is applying our radar to it, which we can do by first applying it horizontally until it goes right into the into this port where it has to go, and then we have to rotate it like this until it slightly clicks. Okay, and so right now it is properly mounted, and now we just have to pair it and start using it. And that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.